everyone. In Maths chapter Money, in the yesterday's class we continued up to page 11, first two sums. Now all of you learn the next two sums in the page number 11. All of you take out your workbook, page number 11. Now see the first one, third sum. In the page 11, third sum. Find the cost of 12 cricket bats if each cricket bat cost is 2,153. One cricket bat cost is rupees 2,153. And what about the 12 cricket bats? Now see, cost of, third sum I am mentioning here, cost of one bat, one cricket bat or one bat. What is the cost of one bat? Rupees 2,153. Rupees 2,153. What about the cost of 12 bats? Cost of 12 bats. What we have to do here? We have to multiply with 12. Cost of 12 bats. So it is rupees 2,153 into 12. Or we can place here into 12. See here. First in the place of ones, what is there? 2 is here. So we have to start multiplying with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry out. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 and it's 3. 2 2s are 4. So ones place is completed to put into mark there. Now continue into tens place. 1 3s are 3. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 6 we have to add now. 6 carry out. 0 plus 3 it's a 3. 3 plus 5 it's 8. 4 plus 1 it's a 5. 2. So what is the cost of 12 bats? Cost of 12 bats is rupees 25,836. Rupees 25,836. Cost of one bat is rupees 2,153. Cost of 12 bats is 25,836. 836. Now next sum. The cost of 3 tickets for a cricket match is 3,720. What is the cost of one ticket? We have to find one ticket cost here. All of you note down the sum list. Cost of 3 tickets for a cricket match is 3,720. I am rubbing the board now. In the fourth sum is now see the next one. Cost of 3 tickets. Cost of 3 tickets. How much it is? Rupees 3,720. Cost of each ticket. Cost of one ticket or cost of each ticket? Cost of each ticket is equal to question mark. 3 tickets. So we have to do division here. We have to do division. So 3 is going to divide with 3,720. 3,720. In 3 table, 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 twos are 6. So here 7 carry out down. So here I am using 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. So minus 2 carry out. In 3 table, 12 comes at 4 times. 12 comes at 4 times. So again 0. And 3 zeros are 0. So what is the answer here? 1,240. 1,240. Cost of one ticket is 1,240. Now all of you take out your maths activity book. Maths activity book, page number 9. page number 9. See the first one. What are the grocery items they gave, and we have to find the answers, corresponding questions. What is the first one? Potatoes 2.5 kg 75 rupees. Tomatoes 3 kg 30 rupees. Onions 1.5 kg 36 rupees. Brinjal 1 kg 48 rupees. So the total cost is 75 plus 30 plus 30 plus 36 plus 48. So we have to add all. Total means we have to add all. So 5 plus 6, it's 11. 11 plus 8, and it's a 19. 11 plus 8 is 19. So 1 carry out. 7 plus 1, it's a 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, it's a 14. 14 plus 4, it's 18. So 189 rupees. Total rupees are 189. For the first one, if Ajit gave a 500 note, how much change will he get back? Total is 189. He gave to the shopkeeper is rupees 500 note. So how much change did he get back? Means we have to minus. We have to minus from 500. 189. So see here, 0 minus 9 is possible. No, what we have to do? We have to take a borrow from next place. So again here also 0. So we have to take a borrow from 100's place. So 5 becomes a 4. Here 0 becomes 10. And again he have to give a borrow. So 0 becomes 10 here. And this 10 becomes a 9. So 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 1. And it's a 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So how much amount did he get back? Rupees 311. Rupees 311. How much does 1 kg tomatoes cost? 1 kg tomatoes cost. 3 kgs are 30 rupees. So we have to divide 3 with 30. So 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. So what is the cost of 1 kg tomatoes? 1 kg tomatoes cost is rupees 10. Rupees 10. And the last one is, what is the cost of 1 kg potatoes? They gave here 2.5 kg potatoes are 75 rupees. Now what we have to find out the cost of 1 kg potato? How we will find? See here, 1 kg, here 2.5 kg means 75. If I minus 15 rupees from 75 rupees, what is the cost there? So it is a 60 rupees. So 2 kgs are 60 rupees. Then what about 1 kg? So 1 kg means 30 rupees. 1 kg means 30 rupees. And the last one in the page is, complete the bill. We already know how to complete the bills. First item they gave is shirt. First item they gave in the page is about a shirt. How many they bought? 4 shirts, and the total is 2,200. 2,200. What about the cost of each shirt? Pants, each cost is 1,280. And what about the cost? Frocks they bought are 3. Total cost is 2,550. 2,550. 3 sarees. Each saree cost is 650. How many bed sheets? 2 bed sheets. Each bed sheet cost is 782. Now you will find these one. First one. What is the first one? Shirt. So we have to do division in the units cost place. Or maybe we can do in the rough columns also. See here. 4 shirts. Cost is 2,200. Then cost of 1 shirt. Cost of 1 shirt. So here 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. If I use 4 6 means 22 kanna 24 అనేది big number అయిపోతుంది. So if I use 4 5s are 20. 22. So here 20. So we have to do minus here. 22 minus 20 is 2 and again carry out a 0. Again 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Again 0 carry out. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. So what is the cost of each shirt? Each shirt cost is 550 rupees. 550. Now the next one. 2 pants. Each pant cost is 1280. 1280. Here I am using as a column. 1280. How many pants they bought? 2 pants into 2. So 2 zeros are 0. 2 8s are 16. 1 carry out. 2 2s are 4 plus 1. It's a 5. 2 1s are 2. So how much it is? 2560. 2560. And the last one is about a frog. How many frogs they bought? 3 frogs. And the total cost is 2550. 2550. So cost of each frog. So we have to do division again here. 2550 is going to divide with a 3. In 3 table, 25 below number. 25 below number. 3 8s are 24. What is that? 3 8s are 24. When I use 3 9s are, it's a big number. 25 cannot 27 is a big number. So here I am using 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So 25 minus 24 is 1 and 5 carry out down. In 3 table 15 comes at 5 times. In 3 table 15 comes at 5 times. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So 15 minus 15 is 0. And again 1 0 is there. We have to carry out down. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. So what is the cost of one frog is rupees 850. Rupees 850. And the next one is 3 sarees. Each saree cost is 650. What is the cost of 3 sarees? Again we have to do multiplication here. Here I am rubbing this. 650 into 3 sarees. Each saree cost is 650 and we have to find out the cost of 3 sarees. Cost of 3 sarees. So we are again multiplying here. 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So 1 carry out here. 3 6s are 18 plus 1. 18 plus 1 is 19. So cost of 3 sarees is rupees 1950. 1950. And the last one is 2 bed sheets. And 2 bed sheets cost is, each bed sheet cost of is 782. So we have to find out the cost of 2 bed sheets. So again we have to do multiplication here. See, 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 6 in the place of tens and 1 carry out to hundreds place. 2 7s are 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1 is 15. So cost of bed sheets is 1564 rupees. 1564. Then what is the total? We have to find out the total. Total means we have to add all these costs. We have to add all these costs. Here I am writing again. 2550. We have to multiply from ones place, tens, hundreds and thousands. So see here, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, it's a 0, 0 plus 4, it's a 4. See here, from tens place, 0 plus 6, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, it's a 16, 16 plus 6, it's 22. How much? 22. 2 in the carry out to 10, hundreds place here. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 14 plus 9. It's 22. and solve the subtractions. It's all about subtractions. We can continue in the